I'm on a mission to help entrepreneurs just like you get out of the weeds when it comes to your content strategy, and a big part of that, step number one, is helping you simplify the number of channels that you're attempting to use so that you can focus on doing less, only better. In this video, I cover part one of my ease content strategy method, which is going to help you establish yourself as an expert using content. Welcome back to my channel, Empire Builders, and if you're new here, my name is Haley Dale and I am a content strategist who's here to help you create more purposeful, profitable, and productive content. And if that sounds right up your alley, make sure to click the subscribe button below this video for regular value-packed videos every single Monday. I want to start by introducing you to my ease content strategy method. It represents the 4 different types of content platforms that I believe every business owner should be including in their strategies: an expertise platform, an attraction platform, a selling platform, and an engagement platform. The ease content strategy brings all of this into balance by making sure that you're able to focus on the 4 content platform types, but usually no more than 1 for each of these. So it simplifies the number of channels you're doing. So I want to focus this video particularly on the expertise platform first. Your expertise content, I believe, is at the heart of your content strategy, and it generally refers to your blog, no matter whether it's written, video, or audio. It's the content that helps establish you as an expert, the expert that you are, and shows your audience that you have value to offer them, and the more consistently, the better. It also establishes your website as a hotspot for that value and gives people a reason to keep coming back. Without regular content, what reason do people have to come back to your website? I guarantee that it's not simply to read your about page for the umpteenth time. So I want to dive into the 5 secrets for mastering your expertise building content right now. Expertise content secret number 1. I want you to choose one platform. Instead of trying to master multiple platforms for your expertise content, I want you to choose just one to publish content on regularly. It doesn't matter if it's written, video, or audio. The only requirement is that it lives on your website, so it gives people a reason to keep coming back. So even if you decide that you are going to be putting out a podcast or a video and you're publishing that also on YouTube or Apple iTunes, you're also creating a blog post for it on your website, thus giving it your home on your own site. So you're driving traffic to your website. The other piece of this is I also want you to decide how frequently you're going to publish your expertise content, aka blog, and commit to it, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Just like these videos, I do them every single Monday. In an ideal world, I'd like you to choose either weekly or bi-weekly, but as always, the best choice is your choice, and it should be whatever works best for your business, as long as it's a pace that you can maintain consistently long term. Expertise content secret number 2, choose one freebie. So the next secret for implementing the expertise part of the ease content strategy method is to choose one freebie that represents the best and most helpful of your ideas and processes. So even if you have other freebies and content upgrades, this chosen one is going to be your flagship freebie, and it's going to be an entry point for your evergreen sales funnel, hopefully, and call to action for any blog post that doesn't have a specific content upgrade. If you're having trouble choosing what freebie you should go with, make sure to check out my How to Choose the Right Freebie to Grow Your Email List video right here. Expertise content secret number 3, come from a place of service always. The main obstacle that comes up for people when creating their expertise content is imposter syndrome. They think something along the lines of, who am I to help people with this when I barely have it figured out for myself? Or there's nothing new that I can personally add to this topic that hasn't already been said before. The best reframe I've found to help you escape this mindset is to come from a place of service, a place of generosity. So instead of trying to create something super smart, unique, or that proves your expertise, simply try to be helpful and try to answer questions that people are actually asking. No brainer. And for the people who think it's possible to actually give away too much in your free content, I don't even want you thinking about that until you have an actual audience to worry about giving too much away to. Expertise content secret number 4. I want you to build a list of questions. So related to the previous point of just simply focusing on answering people's questions, I want you to invest some time in coming up with a list of questions to answer. So I want you to continue to add to these questions to this list as you come across them and pull from this whenever you're needing to come up with a topic for a new blog post. This list will easily become one of the most important assets that you can have when creating your expertise content. My challenge for you is to come up with a list of at least 50 questions that people are actually asking. And here are some places to go and search for questions. So you can go into Facebook groups, right? And start searching some of your keywords and seeing the questions that people are asking in both the comments and the threads. You can go on Reddit. That's a really great place to collect some questions. Google, Amazon book reviews. There's a great website called Answer the Public, which I will link below. Also questions that you have actually received from customers and readers and your audience members. You can definitely pull from those as well. Expertise content secret numero 5, define your golden standard. So the final step here is to come up with your golden standard of expertise content. Can you come up with one post that you've already created that represents the golden standard of expertise content that you're going to strive for to publish in the future? This is a post that represents the best of what you're all about. It's well written or filmed and recorded, sounds like you, people have responded well to it, and it relates to your products and services. And if you don't already have one, I don't want you to fret either. What I want you to do is I want you to focus on taking a piece that you think is almost there and going and doing some magic to it to really bring it up to snuff. So just because you don't have something really great yet, and if you don't even have a piece that's close, maybe you can go and write a piece and create a new piece of content that will become your new golden standard. So when it comes to expertise building content, what secret are you needing to implement the most? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? I want you to let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, I want you to click on the next video on your screen and make sure to subscribe for new videos every single Monday.